Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn a small concept in mathematics. We are going to study about perimeter and area. Before going to the concept, you should know what is a polygon. A polygon is a simple closed surface made up of line segments. There are different types of polygons based on their sides. Triangle made up of 3 line segments, quadrilateral made up of 4 line segments, pentagon made up of 5 line segments, like that, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon, decagon, and many more. Now we will see what is perimeter. Perimeter is the distance covered along the boundary of a closed figure. In other words, it can be defined as the path or the boundary that surrounds a shape. Now, how to find the perimeter? For a regular shape, the perimeter is determined by adding the lengths of the sides or edges of the shape. For irregular shapes, we can use a string of thread and place it exactly along the boundary of the shape. Then the total length of the string used along the boundary is the perimeter of the shape. Now we will see some of the examples to find the perimeter. Here rectangle is given where the length of the rectangle is 8 centimeter and the breadth of the rectangle is 5 centimeter. Now perimeter is nothing but adding all the sides. Here 8 plus 5 plus 8 plus 5 is equals to 26 centimeter. Therefore, the perimeter of a given rectangle shape is 26 centimeter. There is one more example where there is a shape. It is measured 3 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 7 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Now what is the perimeter? We have to add all the sides. So here 3 plus 2 plus 4 plus 3 plus 7 plus 5, which is nothing but 24 centimeter. Till now we learnt about perimeter. Now we will see the area. Area can be defined as the space occupied by a flat shape or the surface of an object. The area of a figure is the number of unit squares that cover the surface of a closed figure. Unit squares in the sense square with 1 centimeter length. For better understanding, we will see some of the examples. Here, one of the example is given where a rectangle shape with length 5 centimeter and breadth 2 centimeter. To find the area, we use grid lines. Here, you have to draw a grid lines which is of unit squares in the sense 1 centimeter length you have to take. Then we have to number the boxes. There are exactly 10 boxes inside that rectangle shape. Therefore, area of a rectangle shape of length 5 centimeter and breadth 2 centimeter is 10 square centimeter, or we can call it as 10 centimeter square, where the unit of area is square units. In the previous example, we used grid lines to find out the area of a given shape. Now we will see the formulas. First, we are going to see the formula to find out the area of a square, where square is nothing but all the four sides are of equal measures. Here I have taken the length of 3 centimeter. Therefore, the area of square is side into side 3 centimeter into 3 centimeter, which is equals to 9 centimeter square. In rectangle, the opposite sides are of equal length. So here length is 9 meter, breadth I have taken it as 5 meter. So the area is length into breadth, which is nothing but 9 into 5, which is equals to 45 meters square. Now here you can observe the units. In square I have taken it as centimeter square because the length is in centimeter. In rectangle it is meter square because I have used the unit of meter there. In this video we studied about perimeter and area. Perimeter is the distance covered along the boundary of a closed figure, whereas area is nothing but the space occupied by a flat shape or the surface of an object. See this picture clearly. Perimeter only the outer line. Area is nothing but the space occupied by the object. Now here comes worksheet 1, where you have to find the perimeter of a given rectangles. 4 problems are given. See the length of the sides and write down the answer for perimeter. One more worksheet based on area of a rectangle. Here 8 rectangles are given, namely A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. First you have to identify the length and breadth of each rectangle through the grid lines, and then you have to answer for the following questions. That is nothing but first one, write the area of each rectangle with units. Second one, which rectangle has the largest area. First you have to find out how to find out the length. For example, if I take rectangle G, there are 2 grid lines vertically which divides a rectangle vertically into 3 parts, and 3 grid lines horizontally which divide the rectangle horizontally in 4 parts. So the length is 3 cm and the breadth is 4 cm.